Hi friends, welcome to this part of video. This video is on 1 rupee note signed by Indra Prasad Govardhan Bhai Patel, yani IG Patel. He was Secretary Finance Government of India from 1968 to 1972. He signed first note as Secretary Finance in 1968 in inset B and prefix R. That note values 40 to 60 rupees, but unfortunately that note is not in my collection. Then it is 1969. Note. It is inset is C. Inset is C and prefix F. It is a note with big coin of rupee 1 on one side. There is Ashoka Stambha, and on the other side is 1 rupee and the year of minting, that is 1969. Now is another note signed by IG Patel. That is a Gandhi note on the eve of birth anniversary of Mahatma Gandhi. It is the first note with portrait of any person other than Ashoka Stambha. It was minted in 1969. On the other side, on the over side of the note is coin with Ashoka Stambha. This note is without inset and prefix C. This note cost values 150 rupee, 100 to 50 rupee, 100 to 150 rupees in UNC condition. Now let us have 1970 note signed by the same secretary, that is IG Patel, with insert C and prefix S. This note values from 40 to 75 only. You see here, IG Patel. It is 1970. Now let us have 1971. It is 1971. It is slightly costly note with prefix D, with insert D and prefix E, with big coin note and Government of India on the same line, in one line only. Below Government of India is Bharat. This is slightly costly note. It values from 40 rupees to 150 rupees in UNC condition. Now it is 1972 note. Both notes are 1972. Both with inset D. (1972) with inset D and prefix V. It is also a costly note. Values from 40 to 75 to 150 in UNC condition. This is I.J. Patel. Now it is 1972 also. With inset D and prefix M. It is also costly note. Values from 40 to 75 to 100 and 105 in UNC condition. Thank you.